All right, my name is Marcus Brown. This is my 4th day on the job. 2nd building I'm doing. One of the most things that surprised me was the amount of hard work, but keeps you out of the bars, makes you go home, take a good night's rest.
What makes you you? What are some unique things about you?
I mean, I'm obviously a ginger. I did tree work before this, so I didn't mind heights. Thankfully, like you were saying, we've got the lift system here, so how tall is that, would you say?
Probably 15 feet or so?
Definitely not 30 to 40.
Yeah. So any unique hobbies you have?
I mean, I'm a little bit of a nerd, so
Really?
I like to play some Magic the Gathering. I like to play some video games.
Okay.
But here lately, man, I've just been beat. I've just been going home and going to bed. I don't even drink beer anymore. If you want to cut that out, that's fine.
I love it. Any shout outs, anything you want to share?
Yo, shout out Mom. I love you, Mom. Shout out to my sister. Shout out to you guys. I appreciate you guys doing this.
Awesome. All right, well, thanks so much. Appreciate the time. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah, no problem.